In this video, I'm going to show you an easy method to do an advanced search on Google. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. For this method, I'm going to use a free Chrome extension called Google Scope. You can find a link to it in the video description. Follow that link and install this extension. After installing the extension, click on it from the menu bar on any page to do an advanced Google search. The extension represents the search filters visually as nodes. From here, we can select the languages for your search, country, time. And then with his green plus icon, we can enter your search keyboard and select whether it should be in title, content, link, or URL. Similarly, we can add phrases for exact match and exclusion along with file type and last update. After that, simply click the Go button to perform the search. This returns the results on Google with our advanced search preferences. That's it guys, this is how you can easily perform an advanced search on Google. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.